Tom is at home in his bedroom. He's playing a computer game. His father knocks on the door and comes in. Tom, I'd like to speak to you about your school trip to the UK. You know, Dad, I want to go. It's a good chance to improve my English. Yes, of course. It's also a chance to learn about the culture and traditions of the British. Do you know that the UK consists of 4 countries? Look at the map. England is the largest of them. London, the capital of the UK, is in England. The monarch, Queen Elizabeth II, and the British government are also in London. There are many historical buildings and cathedrals in England. Look at the country's red and white flag. Scotland is the name of another country. The capital of Scotland is Edinburgh. The flag is blue and white. Scotland is famous for bagpipe music, tartan cloth, and beautiful landscapes. Wales is the 3rd country of the UK. The capital is Cardiff. The flag has a red dragon on a green and white background. Wales is famous for its gardens, valleys, and ancient castles. Northern Ireland is the 4th country of the UK. The capital is Belfast. The flag is white and red. Northern Ireland is known for its landscapes and old churches. Oh, that's great. I want to see everything with my own eyes. You should bring souvenirs back for your friends. Think about them before you go. Thank you, Dad. I will. A pin. It has a Union Jack on it. The flag of the UK. That's not a bad idea. I could give pins to my friends. Wow, toy buses. They are red London double-deckers. I could bring them for my cousins. Well, stuffed toy cows. There are many cows in Scotland. That's a good present. Tartan Scarves from Scotland. Tartan cloth is popular there and known in the world as Scottish. Maybe I should buy scarves for the cold seasons. That funny hat is from Northern Ireland. It has the national symbol of Ireland, the shamrock. I could buy it for my brother. This nice mug with the flag is for my dad. He likes to drink tea from mugs. There are so many souvenirs to buy in the UK.